Hello friends, welcome to our channel Meet the Flavors. Today we are gonna make a famous dessert, besan ki laddu. So let's check out the ingredients first and start the recipe. Here we have prepared 10 besan ki laddu, and for that we have taken 1 cup of gram flour or besan, half cup of ghee or clarified butter, 1 cup of powder sugar. I have used normal sugar just crushed in the mixer, and half cup of cashew, pistachio and almond powder. So for the recipe, I have taken one non-stick pan, just heat it up little bit, then add this half cup of ghee, and when it melts properly on low medium flame, I will add this besan or gram flour gradually. So now I am gonna add this gram flour slowly, and the ratio I have taken for ghee and gram flour, that is I have taken ghee half of the portion of taken gram flour. So for that you don't need to add roasted gram flour or besan at the last to bind the laddus. So you need to stir it continuously and mix with this ghee. So after 15 minutes of continuous stirring, you can see that our besan gets a good golden brown color, but it's not ready yet. This time also you will get good aroma from this roasted besan, and after further 5 to 7 minutes of mixing this besan, you can see that ghee started separating from this besan, and we have to keep stirring it for further 5 to 7 minutes. But yeah, this procedure is quite lengthy as we have used lesser amount of ghee compared to the besan, but this will give a perfect texture at the end. So now we will add little bit of water, and it's a very necessary step, and then again we will mix it. Again little bit of more water, then mix it properly. Further we need to stir it for 5 minutes, and you can see here that after using this water, the stickiness has completely removed from the besan, and now it's ready. Then we will add this cashew, pistachio and almond powder into it and mix it properly. Now at last we will add half teaspoon of ghee into it, and it will add an extra flavor in this laddu. Then we will again mix it with this besan mixture. So now our besan mixture is completely ready to make a laddu, and it took total 30 minutes of time. And then you need to turn off the flame and keep it aside to cool down. And when your mixture is completely cooled down, then only add this powdered sugar. Here I have used 1 cup of powdered sugar, but you can use as per your taste. Now mix it properly, and please remember, don't add this sugar into the hot besan mixture, because if you do that, this sugar will melt and you will not get the proper texture of besan ki laddu. Now I will take little bit of ghee to have an extra texture, extra flavor, and you will also get a good aroma of this ghee. Now I will make the balls of laddus. So you need to prepare these laddus in the same way like I am doing. So our laddu is ready, and to garnish it I am using some pistachio slice on top of it, and you can see it looks great. So here all the besan ki laddus we have prepared, and we have prepared 10 besan ki laddu, and the measurement I have taken for this 10 besan ki laddu only. You can take extra or less as per your requirement. So friends, if you like our recipe, please click the like button and share it with others, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and to get the notifications about our new upcoming recipes, please click the bell icon too. Thank you. Please support us and follow our recipes. So enjoy these besan laddus, and you can also use it as a gift in festivals. Just pack it, wrap it properly and share it with others.